Thank you, Heriberto. Hello, everyone. My name is Isabella Balderas, and I'll be going over the typical features of health data analytics software and its overall purpose. Healthcare organizations throughout the US are wanting healthcare analytics software to help them comply with CMS government reporting guidelines. There are all types of analytics softwares out there, and while the features might be similar, the healthcare organization has to determine which vendor best fits their clinical analytics needs. Some of those software features include user-friendly visualization, identifies opportunities for performance improvement, predicts modeling and performance metrics. The goal is to reduce healthcare costs and force the providers to better manage the care of their patients, providing better quality care. Referencing the chart listed on the slide, the top half gives a breakdown of the various department groups within business and clinical analytics. It can be anything from financial reporting to disease management. The bottom lists common vendor software areas, from utilization management to fraud detection. Thank you everyone for listening. Our next speaker will be wrapping up our presentation.